Having an online presence is crucial for any individual or business. A good website is a key part of this. Your website can be utilized to grow your brand image, draw in customers, and as a tool for scheduling and e-commerce. Building a website may seem daunting for beginners, but fear not. With the help of a website builder, you can create a professional-looking website without any coding knowledge. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of building a website.
Step 1. Choose a website builder. First, you need to select a website builder that suits your needs. There are many options available for beginners that will still produce extremely professional websites. Why not check out my review of the best beginner website builders of 2023? Consider factors such as ease of use, available templates, customization options, and cost. Most website builders offer free trials or plans with limited features, so you can try a few and see what works for you. Choose the one that offers the best balance between functionality and affordability. Paying more will not necessarily equal a better experience. Step 2. Plan and research. Before you dive into designing your website, it is important to take time to decide what the main goal of your website is. You should also consider the target audience and hence what tone and identity it will exhibit. Knowing how you are going to draw people to your website and what you want people to do once they are on it is crucial. Researching SEO tools such as keywords is also useful, as well as drawing inspiration from other websites in your field. Step 3. Choose a template. After signing up to the website builder of your choice, you'll need to select a template for your website. Templates act as a foundation and make it easier to create a visually appealing and coherent website. Go back to your plan and choose a template that resonates with your goals and brand identity. Choosing the right template will save time, however, do not stress at this stage. You will be able to modify everything to fit your vision. Step 4. Customize your website. Now it's time to make your website uniquely yours. Website builders usually have drag and drop functionality, making it seamless for beginners to customize their websites. Add your logo, change the color scheme, and experiment with fonts. Simple usually works best, so try to avoid too many different colors or wacky fonts. Special attention should be given to the homepage, as this is the face of the website. Step 5. Organize your pages. Every website needs a structure that makes navigation easy for visitors. Create a navigation menu and organize your pages logically. Common pages include home, about us, services, products, testimonials, and contact. Remember to keep it simple and ensure that visitors can easily find what they are looking for. This is where a clear idea of where you are leading the user is important. For example, a restaurant may want to put emphasis on the reservation section. Step 6. Write copy. Copy is the written part of your website. A plan is key, as it needs to be kept as concise and easy to read as possible. Keep a clear idea of who you are writing for, and this will allow you to craft copy that speaks directly to the target audience's needs and desires. Focus on creating compelling headlines and subheadings that grab attention and engage your audience. Finally, always proofread your copy for clarity and grammar errors. Step 7. Add images and multimedia. Visual content is essential for engaging visitors. Choose high-quality images related to your content to enhance the overall visual appeal. If you can produce your own high-quality images, this can transform a website from good to great and really show off your product or service. Stock images are also very useful, and website builders often include stock image libraries, or they can be found online. Be careful not to just use any images without permission, however. Additionally, if you have videos or audio to share, website builders make it easy to embed media into your site. Step 8. Optimize. The best websites are constantly edited and kept up to date. To improve and optimize your website's performance further, you can use SEO analysis tool built into most website builders.